What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the stream. Yeah, I got a story for you guys. I am no longer funded with Apex. Went full freaking tilt. What's going on, JC? I went full tilt, man. I blew it. I blew it. I made a post on it. Y'all can check out my post. 38K gone. I was just gambling, man. Just randomly gambling and hoping hoping for a miracle to happen that we know that does not happen. But I say that to say, you know, I mean, I can't change it. It is what it is. I was talking to Sherm about it, you know, and yeah, I had some technical difficulties trying to set this OBS up. So we're trying to, for some reason, some stuff messed up. So I'm trying to get all set right now. But looking at the charts, I mean, just off rip, I'll probably look for some longs. What do you think? Yeah, 449. Yeah, which was fire, by the way. Yeah, and I was gonna I had thought about making a recap video yesterday, but I was like, I need to internalize this. I need to process this. Like, I really need to sit down and think what the heck just happened. Like I know, but it's like, yeah, it was just crazy. Like, and I'm just like, yo, like I said, I was gonna make that video, but I was like, I'm gonna save it for the weekend, get my thoughts right on it, because I'm like I'm still shell shocked, kind of. But I don't. It was almost like we said, like almost like a sense of relief. I don't know. It's crazy. That self sabotage is crazy. I know. Yeah, yeah. The risk managers in the chat will definitely not be feeling that. I know. It was just pure gambling. There was no trading at all. It was just pure gambling. And I was on the wrong side of everything. Trying to play those the FOMC meeting minutes. I was on the right side at first, and then it just all went down. All went down. But I hope you took some profit off this long, because they are selling it down. Okay. All right. Yeah. Yeah, like I said. Oh, go ahead. Mhm. Oh, my bad.
Understand that.
Oh, my bad. Hey, hey, they couldn't hear. My bad, y'all. I had them on mute. My bad.
Oh, you have me on mute?
Yeah, that was. Dang. See, another rookie mistake over here. My bad. Y'all should be able to hear him now. It was from
Okay.
yesterday. Yeah, it's from yesterday.
Okay. All right. Well, I don't know what you guys heard, but yeah. So kind of going back. Um, so me and Smith, we were talking. Uh, he was sharing with me why or his emotions and what he was going through, and I'll allow him to, fully explain and flesh that out during his weekly recap. But I
Yeah.
was telling him that, doing the daily report cards, showing my trades, showing how I manage my trades and releasing that to the public, that can be scary. And not scary like, oh, there's a monster under my bed scary, but feeling that feeling of exposure, like I'm exposing myself. I'm exposing my thought process and my trades. When that chart really expresses and shows who you are as a person, it really does. Because your psychology is within your entries and exits on that chart. I mean, shit, I want my damn targets. I've lost so much money because price missed my target and I would chase and chase and chase. So
Yeah.
that's my psychology, and you'll see it on my chart. But uh, along with my daily report cards, I'm going to start releasing content of how I manage my trades. So y'all can see, since I'm not live streaming, y'all can see how and when I take my trades. I think I'm going to only go New York Open. I think at least for right now, that's all I'm doing. But I've already released the FOMC minutes reaction video. If you guys want to check that out and watch it, uh, I released that yesterday. I released it was a trade, I believe. It was a 90-point trade. I think it hit serious demand, and I was able to recognize that and capitalize on it, and was able to end the day with being up like 90 or 95 points in that trade. So, um,
Yeah.
yeah, I released both of those,
Yeah, that was
and I'll continue
solid.
to do it.
Yeah, that was solid. Again, like I said, I'm definitely gonna go over everything. I gotta write some stuff down and process what the heck. I mean, I know what happened. I know what happened, but I gotta get my thoughts and words together for the weekly recap. I had to take, because when you blow an account, they like close it down. So I had to take screenshots before, and I made a post on it too. Y'all want to go check that out um, before they shut everything down because it's not like I can go back. I don't even think I forgot to put it in the to get the data from it though. That's one thing I did forget to do. But I did take the screenshots so you can see all that. And like I said, I made a post this morning um, showing that full transparency, baby, full transparency. I was a straight gambler, gambler. And it's crazy. I'll gamble in the NQ, but I don't gamble at the casino. I don't go to casinos or nothing like that. The NQ is my casino. Apex is my casino. Yeah, yeah, Moxie. Yeah, I blew him. I blew him yesterday. Yeah, check out my post. I posted it. Um, this is Top Step right here that you're looking at on the screen that I hit daily loss limit yesterday. Yeah, so right now, oh man, I forgot to do a lot of things this morning.
Yeah,
Um, but yeah, I was also running late this morning. Um, let's see, let's see what we can do. This is gonna take at a minimum 4 days to pass now since I hit the loss limit yesterday. Um, I got a couple other. No, the payout did not get approved before I blew it. Apex will wait till they'll wait till like the freaking last day they'll probably wait till either Friday or next week before they start actually approving stuff, which is crazy.
Man, of course, they just paid out that dude $1 million. They
Yeah.
just paid
Oh
him out.
yeah, yeah. That's what I was going. That's another thing I was gonna mention. Yeah, the dude, live mic trader. He got his $1 million. He posted it on Twitter, on X, and I was just like, yo, I had that, and then that was another reminder. I'm like, dang, I had a goal. I lost sight of that goal, being foolish. Then now I got to start all over from scratch. I'm like, it's frustrating, so frustrating. But I mean, it is what it is. What it is. Um, yeah, I got nothing to say right now. Nothing to say, honestly. Let's see, does this keep going? It's got sold off a lot here, but I think it's still gonna.
Well, technically, we're still in an uptrend. Technically, on the smaller time
On the
frame
smaller,
with this move.
yeah, I would say on a small
Technically,
time frame, yeah.
but like I said, man, I mean, obviously, we might get some retests of that bottom. Who knows, man? Who knows what this thing is gonna do before going higher? We're still in a bear market, or we're still in a bear rally right now. And yeah, being a bull is going to be very. You have to be very precise. You have to manage your risk, and yeah, you got to be strategic with your entries and your exits. So
Yeah.
um,
Oh. Yeah, I did capitalize on that half price top step uh, counts.
yeah, Apex trying to be top, or Top Step's trying to be Apex now.
Yeah, they trying to be Apex for a couple days. I'm like, man,
Mm-hmm.
y'all need to keep that up. You know how many people
Yeah,
will be buying accounts if y'all have them half price? I
yeah,
think y'all will probably make more money that
more.
way because you know people gonna blow
Yeah, yeah. I mean, think about the psychology behind it. I only paid $70 for a 150K account.
them.
I'm gonna go balls to the wall because the worst case scenario, at least for them, is I mean, I'll just have to just buy another one. I'll take that one seriously, but I have an account for especially the 50K is $25 for a 50K account. I mean,
Yeah,
APEC does that all the time, but on top of that, no trailing drawdown or nothing.
yeah,
Yeah, that's a steal. $25 for an account for
yeah,
a life changing account. Yeah, that's good. But nobody ain't gonna buy that $25 account. Everybody's gonna buy that 150K. Why wouldn't you?
yeah, you might as well. $74, bro. I saw that, and that happened. I saw that like right after I blew the Apex accounts. Sherm actually told me about it, and I checked my email. I was like, maybe, maybe this is a sign. Maybe, but you know, I went ahead and got more Apex accounts just because, out of spite. I only picked up four. Yeah. Oh,
Yeah,
appreciate.
I was telling Smith yesterday. I was like, man, I'm feeling bearish now. I'm feeling bearish, so I think it's time to flip bullish. I'm flipping bearish.
Let me pull up book map. I'm over here tripping.
I
Uh,
mean, it's a lot, man. Because I understand that account meant a lot. I understand that that account basically was something that you put a lot of your dedication and time to. I mean, we started these streams with that account, with those
yeah,
accounts. I understand it hits hard.
yeah.
However, we move forward.
I mean, you got
We move
to,
forward.
got to,
You ain't got no choice.
for real.
Yeah, the only other option is to die. I mean, we ain't doing that no time soon. So we might as well keep moving forward. Hmm. But yeah, honestly, how I plan on using the $74 eval that I bought. This is the eval where it's like, you know what? I'm going with the market. It's going to be hard to inverse myself. I think that's going to be the most challenging thing that I'm going to do. And the reason why I say that is because obviously, if I'm going to be confident in my call ups, if I'm going to be confident in what I see through my analysis, inversing myself, I mean, that attacks my ego. That's going to attack my mental state. I mean, just inversing yourself in general is like, dude, like, if you're right, like that, I think that'll fuck people up. Like, dude, you're right. You're inversing yourself and you're right more than you're wrong.
Yeah.
But I have a tendency of counter trend trading.
Yeah.
And I've been very profitable counter trend trading, but the truth about that is that it's hard. Like I'll get 50, 60 points, but if you trade with the market, you can get double that.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
just not being a counter trend trader is going to be difficult, but I will overcome that challenge. I will overcome it. That is my goal. And that's what I'm using this account for.
Yep. All right. So let's talk about this chart structure though. So we had a low 443. So another thing, I mentioned the Sherm this morning. The moves that I was expecting to happen in the New York cash session have been happening pre-market. Big moves pre-market. And I was looking at it too. I was like, man, I was calling for a short at the top. I was like, man, no way it's gonna get back up here to test this high. It got what to 580 and then started dropping. And I was looking at the charts before this happened. I was like, man, this looks like it's gonna double top out and just go short. But I didn't take it. I didn't take it. Yeah, yeah. Lost the down payment on the house. Yeah, yeah. Uh, just terrible.
I just put that right there. All right, so let's look at SPY and see what SPY is doing today. Let's look at the flow. Let's see what the institutions, what they think the markets should be doing. Right now, where is my tab? There it is. All right. So obviously the gamma is still red. It's still negative in SPY. However, we're at its largest negative gamma level. We're sitting there. Price has been sitting there. And they are sweeping puts, but they're also buying puts. So, yeah.
22-point candle up rip on this 15-minute. Now that's getting sold back down. It was up, I think, like 40 some, yeah, like 40, 50 points. And they sold it off at 500. So 500, they want to defend. They want to defend that. They want to defend 500, down about almost 50 points from 500. I was with you in the longs, but now I think they got clapped. But they could, like, I don't know. They could. What if if it bottoms out here at the lows and then they bounce back? I don't know. They try to buy it back up. Ugh, tired too. Let's see. still looking. Hold on, let me get my other accounts in here though, because that's one account. Let's see this one. Hopefully it doesn't. Yeah, it should throw it off. Okay. I think I got three separate Top Step accounts. Um, yeah, three separate Top Step accounts. I did get more. I did pick up more Apex accounts just out of spite. Um, yeah, and let's see what else we got. Trying to look for an entry here. It's like it's too low to short, but the Bears, I mean, I don't know. The Bulls could come back down here easily.
Well, I mean, it is. We did touch. Oh yeah, this is a double bottom, dude. Okay, this is a double bottom. Okay, I'm confident in longs now. We just got a double bottom.
Yeah. Um, did I not? Yeah, I thought I had my group. What the heck happened with this? I guess I don't know. I don't know what's going on. None of my stuff is right. Coming in here looking at this. That, that worries me. All right, so we got that set up. Now, I missed this freaking move, this pump up, fiddling around with that nonsense. I don't know.
But what?
What are y'all looking? I was just gonna say, what is everybody looking at in the chat? What do they see? We are coming up on the VWAP here on 1,000 tick.
Where is it at?
It's sitting at 505 on. That's not too far
Oh,
off.
okay. Okay. All right. My target's at 4.99. I was like, oh shit.
It's like it's like,
Yeah, we don't fuck with VWAP over here anymore.
yeah, that they gave a reset. Am I tripping? Top Step.
So that 50% off is good for only one account.
Yes.
The reset in the Discord, they said that give them up until the 10th. So it may be a while. And the reason why is going to take a long time. I don't know if anybody is familiar with how Top Step does its reset codes now. Is they do it individually. So one code is only good for one account. You know, like how in the past, one code would reset multiple accounts. Well, now they have to take the time to generate codes to only work for one account and only be used once. So that's why it's going to take a while for them to generate those resets. Just be mindful of that.
Yeah, it's kind of whack, but because that I would hit up when they put they would release codes and they put like a cap limit on it. They put it to 3,000 people. So I would try to reset as many accounts as I could if I had multiple accounts. And sometimes I got lucky and was able to reset two. You know, the max you can have the Evals starting out is 3. So I'd get lucky and be able to reset 2 of them, try to do the third one. It's like, nah, time me out. We reached the limit. Dang. So yeah, that 3,000, that cap that they used to have, that would go by really quickly. Because you got to think everybody probably trying to do the same thing.
Yeah, I mean those resets used to crash their damn site. When they first did it, their site crashed.
Yeah, it did. They're like, yeah, we got more resources now, more servers. We should be good. The site shouldn't be crashing anymore. I'm like, yeah, okay. It still crashed the second, even with the more servers they got. I'm like, yeah, y'all suck. Y'all need to get it together.
I mean, I'm not gonna lie, man. I don't understand. I mean, I was talking to myself about this last night. what is it that Apex is doing that Top Step is not doing? What's the difference? Apex has basically their system automated. The only thing that they need is for support here and there. And that's probably like a team of maybe 10 people at the most. At the most, but everything is automated. Why hasn't Top Step gotten something like that in place? You don't have to wait 2 or 3 days with for Apex. They give you your funded account so you can blow it as soon as possible to get you right back in that eval.
Yeah, that's true. That's a good point. He said they give you your credentials so you can blow it immediately and get right back in that eval. Yeah.
Yeah. Honestly, when you understand the business side of things, it's so funny how blatant and shameless, the tactics that are being used against the consumer.
Yeah.
Like, obviously, the Apex 1 day pass sale, the half price resets to go along with it, and the 70%, obviously, that right there probably generated a lot of money. And then they brought back the 90% sale for a couple of days. And all that so they can pay this trader without really touching their money, but just generating money that they probably wouldn't have had if they didn't have these half price sales, 1 day pass, 90% off. Oh, we're not doing that for a while. And then they hit you with it, or 80% off, and they hit you with it.
Yeah.
So it's like, okay, yeah, it's shameless, but it's understandable. You just took $1 million loss. You gotta get that money back.
Yeah, they took that.
You gotta get that back.
That Millie L. Yeah, and then banned him for it too. Oh shoot, I took the wrong thing, bro. See, I'm effing up. Ain't focused. Effing up. Caught a little bit of profit, but I'm still effing up. $70. Y'all going to McDonald's with me? $70. McDonald's on me. Which account is this? Oh, I'm tripping. How did it let me in? That don't make no sense. All right, let's see.
They basically sold this off to 50.
Oh, man, I forgot my Ninja Trader. You know I was messed up yesterday too, because I was up like 2K in my Ninja Trader account. Old school Ninja Trader account, and I was like, that's not enough. I was trying to make it back and revenge the Apex and yeah, I ended up taking an L in that too. Being a fool. Being blinded. Alright.
Blinded by ambition.
Blinded by ambition. Blinded by Nah, that wasn't ambition on my part. That was just foolishness.
Foolishness.
Yeah. Oh, they completed this move. Dang it, man. 28 points up. 30 points down. That right? Okay. So what is... Let's do something. They want serious traders, yeah. They seriously want us to fail. that's the slogan. That should be the slogan. They want you to fail. I saw that Wieland is endorsing Take Profit now. I wonder what happened with his relationship with Top Step. That's funny. I wonder what happened.
Really?
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, they don't want no serious traders.
Apex or Take Profit probably came to him with an offer he couldn't refuse.
I'll make him an offer I can't refuse.
But yeah, that's interesting. That's interesting. Honestly, like I said, man, I don't know who will promote Take Profit. Because are you talking about shamelessness? Yeah, that's pure shamelessness. Right? 50
Yeah.
execution rule, and then the trailing drawdown when you become funded, like that. On top of that, and then enticing the trader that you can withdraw on the first day.
Yeah. Yeah.
All those combined will lead up to. I mean, we all know who the customer is, the gambler.
Mm-hmm.
Some people will get through, but majority of the time, eventually, it'll get caught by one of those rules. So.
Yeah. Yep. I took a quick scout on that. It was nearing the top. I mean, I could have held it, but it was nearing the top of this. So we've been in this little range here. The Bulls want to overtake 500 and try to take it higher. The Bears are going to obviously look to try to defend 500. Who wants it more? Whose will is greater today? Who wants it more? Yeah, I should have held that mess to at least this golden fib here. Now it's too high. To me, it's too high to long. Because, look, see, they want to defend that. They want to defend the heck out of that. Ugh. Man, Ninja Trader, don't tell me. They took away my charts. Man, everything's just going... it's messed up right now. Ain't nothing. I got these issues with OBS, and then Ninja Trader done wiped out all my charts. But luckily, I got them templates saved, so it shouldn't set me back too much. But still, it's still whack though. Let's see. So we had could have made 60 plus points going both ways here. We had a 28-point candle, another 26-point candle on that 5-minute body to body, and now this one. Huh. Huh. I guess I need to put this in the. Let me put this in the. I'm gonna pin the message. I'm gonna pin it.
The hell. Okay. Yeah, this is definitely going higher. Please don't try to short this. We triple bottom. You can see on the TickStrike that, man, they're buying this damn thing up. My thoughts is that we at least get to the underbelly of that range from this morning at around 525, 520ish. At least.
Yeah, they might. Excuse me. They might try to give us a little bit of trouble here at 500, though. You know, you got 500,
Yeah, they'll give us
and
trouble.
you got VWAP right above, just above. I think they're gonna try
Yeah.
to make it a little struggle, but I do think eventually we get above that though. Let's see what happens.
Yeah. I mean, This is definitely going higher. We triple bottom. The bulls right now are running all them bear stops. Yeah.
Yeah.
We at least retest the bottom of that range, and then we probably the bulls. I'm sorry, the bears might come in at 500, like you said. They may come back at 500, but I feel that it'll be a missed opportunity for the. Well, let me look at this. Let me really look at this.
Mm.
Let me look at this because this you just never know. I want to make sure that I'm seeing this correctly. We're one leg down, two leg down, three leg down. We're three legs down right now. Or if you want to combine them, we're technically two legs down. We'll see what happens at 520. We'll see what happens. Or in 500, like you said.
Mm. What the heck?
VWAP on the higher time frame VWAP on the higher time frame for me on my 2700 tick chart is at 656. The 200 EMA is at 548. I think we can honestly, we'll see what happens at 520. If the bulls can get over 520, I think we get to close to 540. I feel we get to 540 if the bulls can continue to push this. If when price gets to the underbelly of that range, if it rejects, then we know. Then we know what the direction of the day is going to be. But that's just my projections for right now.
Yeah. But they want to make it a struggle right here. And like you said, look at all these bottoms down here. Boom, 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 boom. Another double bottom here. They're like, get out of our way. Get out of our way, VWAP. Bears.
Yeah, that lower time. What that's the 1,000 tick chart you're looking at, VWAP?
This is my 2000.
2000.
Yep. And here it goes. Look, Beyblade, let her rip. Let her rip.
You know what? Honestly, okay, I'm considering taking it here. I reached my daily goal, but at the same time, I don't know if I should let this ride or take the profits at this point.
Should have let it ride, but this is up 50 points on the 15-minute right now. I knew I should have let it ride a little bit further, but at least to my first TP, I had my first TP at 515 because I didn't want to play around with 520. And look at 520, there's 132 side order block right there. I didn't want to play around with that. And if it drops here, look at that. I would have still been. I probably got out. No lie, I probably got out. But it got to 514. It would have missed me by a point. I feel like it's going to touch 515, but that was my first TP. And then, like I said, 520, I just feel like they would play games with that.
Yeah, they will.
Do I think
you see the liquidity at 520 on Bookmap? Yeah. You see it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Dude, that's the underbelly of that range. So it's like, dude, it just makes sense for bears to come there if they're going to come.
Yeah.
It just makes sense.
Yep. I think the bulls.
Trading is not hard, people. It's the psychology behind it. It's too easy. No way they're going to do it.
It's too easy. Way. We make it hard. It's too.
Yeah.
It's too easy, but we make it hard. All right, how do I can't have a pistol. Yeah, how come it's not letting me do that? I can't pin. What the heck is going on? I can't pin messages anymore. I can't pin my own message. I don't know. I'm a noob. Did it touch 15 yet? Okay, yeah, it's scratched the
All right,
surface.
I got out here. I got a nice video for y'all guys today. A nice video from start to finish of me managing this trade. I traded basically from the top or from the bottom to the top of this range. I'm done in this account. It'll be in my daily report card for tonight. I'm gonna post that me managing this trade so y'all guys can see. Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, we got 4 minutes left in this 15-minute candle. We're up.
So now I'm hopping in my practice account where it don't matter. It doesn't matter in the practice account. So I'm hopping in the practice account right now.
Yeah. They buying dips. They're selling rips. What you doing, baby? Baby. They still got that liquidity at 520, or did they move it? Ooh, they trying to. They're playing around right now. I will say that. They are playing around with it. Okay, let's check 1,000.
All right, hold on. Let me look at my CL trade because I think I might have messed up in my CL. I know my CL trade probably messed up.
Did you? Ooh. Oh my gosh. Wait. I think I might be still looking at the wrong thing. Yeah. Okay. I'm looking at past that. You went long CL, right? It kind of dropped a little bit. You know what that?
Dude, that was up. Man, I was up in that position too. I didn't take it because I thought I was gonna at least retest the highs. That's why I don't trade this bitch.
CL ain't been the
She
same.
doesn't do what I want her to do.
Yeah, nothing.
So what?
CL ain't been the same, bro. We gotta wait till she get back right. I think that might be in the summer.
Now I feel like CL owe me something, dude. Nah, I'm not trading this account no more. I'm done. But all in all, good trading.
I'm just not playing no games. Coming in, taking these Bears' money, taking their names.
I should have. Well,
Yeah.
okay, never mind. I was thinking like, damn, should have held this position?
I don't. I think this has more room to run up.
I think so too. I think it runs all the way up into at least 40, 45-ish. But I did get out at 20 because I mean, if it does run, I got out because of that structure level at 615 or 516. Obviously, it ran up. It's still going up. Technically, it hasn't dropped yet. But if this needs to rebalance, it's going to possibly rebalance back at 489. 489 is. I'm actually going to put like a limit there, man. I'm going to buy one right there. 588, just in case it comes back. Yeah, I think, yep. Yeah. But on the 1,000 tick chart, price is above VWAP, the 21, the 200, and it's all kissing each other. The only one that's not up there yet is the 50-day moving average, which is weird.
Yeah.
Shit, this is probably going up to 38 or something, dude. Man, it's going up to 38. That should stay in this position.
You know, when you call it out, it's gonna probably exceed expectations. Hold on, got some words in the chat. 8 to 10 cons. Lost on some, won some. Oh, nice. I mean, shoot, you up. 50-point move up. Complete. 60 points. My bad. Excuse me, NQ. 60 points. At 15 minutes. Ninja Trader. So Tradeovate is a part. They bought Ninja Trader bought Tradeovate. Let me say that right. So this is basically Ninja Trader now. Um, yeah, they do have web trading. They basically stole Tradeovate's infrastructure for their web trading, or yeah, their web trading portion.
I still if you bought it.
So well,
Sound
yeah,
like a hater over there. Sound like a hater over there. The superior product, Ninja Trader 8.
yeah, yeah. I mean, they didn't put in any work. They actually made it look worse in my opinion. But hey, like if you go to ninjatrader.com, launch the web portion, it's the exact same thing, but they just changed the font. All they did was change the font to be different. I'm like, that. I mean, but they did pay for it, so they bought out Trade of Eight. So yeah. Silvio asks, how do I add the orders on Trade of Eight, like the left side of your screen? This is the DOM. So you go, if you're in right now, you go over here to add modules. This plus sign in the top left corner. And then you just look for Super DOM. Super DOM right here. You can click that and it'll populate, and then you can put it wherever. You can move all of these things wherever you want them. Some people keep it on the right side by the price. I don't know, for some reason, I go against the grain. I like it on the left side here. Um, yeah, but that's how you add it. And then you can go to the settings here and add like all of the bid and ask. And I usually don't trade off the DOM. Um, I just like looking at it for the orders, seeing the orders on each side.
Yeah, the DOM, in my opinion, it's just a good indication of where the volume is. If we didn't have bookmap is basically the DOM visualized.
Yeah.
That's a great way to look at that. Man, I should have stayed in this position. I got out at 518. Now I'm wishing I held for that extra 8 points. I think it's gonna go to my original target.
Yep.
Let's see what happens at 38. Man, it's gonna keep going, man. I left money on the table. But you know what? I got out. I managed the position.
Yeah.
So I'm not gonna complain. I mean, it's at the underbelly of this range right now. Look at it continue to go. I'm not gonna hop back in. I'm not hopping back in.
Yeah, I had, on my chart yesterday, I drew a line of 539. So you calling for 38 is actually quite funny. We be seeing sometimes seeing on the same page. Sometimes we're completely different as well, which is good.
Yeah, because we're both the same. I mean, what's the point of that? What's the
Yeah,
point?
yeah. Balance each other up. Each other's
You know what? I'm gonna
analysis
take this
out.
short. I'm gonna take this short in the film. I'm gonna just see what happens. I
Yeah.
think we do get a push to 486. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm in the practice account right now.
Okay.
I'm not trading my real account. I'm gonna take this short. I wish I got that entry at 32. Maybe I'll get an opportunity to take it short at 32, but dang, price has already dropped. Already 18 points.
I feel like this is gonna ride these EMAs. Like even if this does break this 9-1 here on the 2000, I think as low as it gets is probably this 21 or VWAP, which are like right next to each other. Or
Yeah, where's that on your chart?
just at five, we got VWAP on 2000 at 502, and then the 21 EMA at 504. And if it does dip, I think it gets bought back up in this 495.
Yeah.
This 495 area if it does come down. I mean, that would be what, like 20, 30 points from?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like I said, I'm getting long. I missed that short. I'm getting in long at 488. I'm gonna see what happens. I'm gonna take this at 488. 488.
488. Yeah, that would be probably the best entry. I think if it like wicked down there and then pop got bought right back up. That sniper entry right there. You start
And
throwing
then
it.
Top Step, you gotta be a sniper, man. They only hire snipers.
My man Muhammad went in, the most contracts he went in was 80. Ooh, my lord.
80 contract?
80. I mean, he trades his personal account, so you can do that. Got enough equity, you can do that. Sheesh. I wouldn't know how to feel with 80. I mean, unless I'm up like 1,000 points. I'd be, if it's, I obviously I feel like that would be like a scaled in type of position, but
yeah, no, that's how it feels like. Just imagine just holding a position from last year's low and just scaling in, stair stepping your way back into the position, stepping your way into the position. Where would you take profits at? Because I mean, honestly, if you took profits anywhere, I mean, you lost money with this run up. I mean, we ran up 7,000 points.
You left
Obviously,
money.
you don't know that at the time, but where do you take your profits at?
Let's say you left money on the table, because because you technically didn't lose, but you missed out on the opportunity to hold that mess and go up, like you said, 7,000 points on 80 contracts. Sheesh. Yeah, he kept adding. Yeah, so he started with 20, kept adding on the winning position till he got to 80. That's what I figured.
Yeah, I don't think anybody starts off. I mean, who has those types of balls? Especially when it's your own money.
You start off with 80 cons off rip. Man, I'm about to get to 100. That's
like, yeah, I just do 80 on there. Yo, Apex really want to make some money? Yo, sell a contract or sell an eval where you have that like a 200. Or what's their biggest one? 300K.
300K.
Sell a 500K, make 80 contracts or 80 to 90 contracts on them. Talking about people blowing their accounts every day.
Yeah.
Yo.
Every day.
Just keep scaling in.
Hey, that's a plug for Apex. Throw in a $500,000 account. Throw in a $500,000 account, and I bet the profit target would probably be double the 300K, because you got to make 20K on the 300K account.
So 500, I think they'll probably be like 100.
You think they
50
put it
or 100?
Yeah, I can see 50.
50, yeah.
Maybe somewhere in between like 50 or 80. He said I never trade micros. Hey, I didn't ask if it was micros. I wouldn't play you like that. Bahamas trader asked if it was micros. I feel like that would be disrespect. I would never. Because you over here killing it. You crushing it every day.
Yeah, nah, we don't trade micros.
Nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong with micros, bro. Nothing wrong with micros.
Over there.
Nothing wrong.
I mean, for risk management, micros is great.
Micros has
great for risk management.
Micros has its place, especially if you.
Yeah, for risk management.
Yeah, and if you
if me and you were to start off, obviously we're happy because we can trade the Nasdaq, but in micros, obviously. But if we given the choice to not trade micros.
Yeah. You know, if I'm given the choice, I'm sticking with minis. I don't care. I mean, so I've done micros when, like Alfred just said here, if I'm like close to hitting the max daily or the max loss in the account, and I got like maybe a couple $100 left for drawdown, I'm like, yeah, okay, I'll try to get some good trades in micros and try to resurrect it, bring it back to life. But like I said, there's nothing wrong. Micros have their place, especially like you said, risk management, or if you just starting out, you want to test the waters of the market, kind of get a feel for how NQ is, even though it's different. It's the same, but it's different. I don't know if that. Yep. Yeah, y'all know what I mean.
It's the NQ. That's what makes it the same. It's just different because it's disgusting over there. The price action stuff.
So it's disgusting over there. I don't know. Every instrument, everything has their place, I think. Micros included. Like I've came back and made like $500 trading ES micros. That's a difficult thing to do. You thinking of like that's ES micros making $500? Like that's legit. And then I've made like $1,000 on NQ micros, scaling into winning positions.
Yeah, I mean, you can make money with micros. I mean, honestly, you're incentivized to hold position because you ain't making nothing and you're not losing anything.
Yeah.
So, I mean,
You gotta catch points. That's the goal
you
with
got to catch
micros.
points. Yeah.
Catching
I
points
mean,
with
that's a
micros.
plus with. I mean, if you practice on micros
Yeah.
and translate everything that you find on micros to minis, then yeah.
Yep. Did
But we don't do that.
your limit get hit?
No, it's at 88.
Oh, 88, 88. That's right. That's right. I was thinking
It's at
98.
88.
Yeah, man.
No.
Unfortunately, I was copy. I always copy trade. I take the good and the bad of copy trading. Um, and Sherm here, it made me think. After what happened, it made me think. I was like, should I trade these separately? Should I trade these separately? But then I'm like, I'm missing out on opportunity. That's how I ran up Top Step last time for 70K before I started going tilt.
Measure.
Yeah, but I'm not putting on 170 micros. I'm sorry. I'm not doing that. I am not doing that.
I'm doing what?
Putting on 170 micros. Uh,
Yeah, this putting on 100 and shit.
yeah. 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 Oh yeah. With Apex, yeah, you can go full. They encourage you to go full port. Bahamas Trader asks, can you get 20? Oh shoot, 20 300K accounts and go full? I'm sure you can. I haven't seen anybody do that because those 300K accounts are usually more expensive. But I don't see why not. You can do any other account size and go full port on all of them. So yeah, I don't know. I haven't seen it. That would be a great, entertaining thing to see. Making groups. Well, I only had 3 accounts. I started with 6. I guess I could have split it in half, 3 and 3, but I don't know. I like to go all in, baby. I take the good and the bad. Of course, I want the good. If I made 20K, and that's what I said. Like with Top Step, you only get 3 accounts starting out, right? And then once you make it, if they transfer you to the live side, you can have your one live account and 3 XFAs. But um, what was I about to say? What was my train of thought? Yeah, I mean, I take the good and the bad with copy trading. I know I probably shouldn't. The more responsible thing to do would be to trade them separately or whatever. But I mean, like I said, Top Step only gives you 3. If we're talking strictly Apex, then yeah, that would be the smarter thing to do. Split them up, trade a couple accounts here and there. That way, if you have a bad day in some accounts, then you got others to spare. But if it's Apex, knowing me, I'm gonna try to revenge trade. I'm gonna have to just unplug my computer and literally walk away, or have someone else unplug my computer and walk away.
Yeah, that physical risk manager is crucial.
Yeah. So my wife is coming in at 11 o'clock on the dot. So I'm gonna have to cut the stream. She said, "All right, enough is enough. You getting out at 11." I'm like, "All right, yes, ma'am."
Yes, risk manager,
Yes,
ma'am.
risk manager, ma'am. Reporting. Yes. Oh
Yo,
man.
that's clutch. Yo, yeah, that's clutch.
She
Yeah,
she'll
Smith has a personal risk manager.
she will come in here and unplug this mess in a heartbeat. So
Yes, risk manager, man.
hey, it comes in clutch though. You have that physical risk manager. Like, man, stop. What are
Yeah,
you doing?
dude, it
Stop
does,
this.
man.
Stop this.
There is times where you just like, dude, you're just so deep into it. You just can't. You really do need that lifeline to come save you.
Remember, remember just a couple weeks ago, what were we trading? What event was it? I was like, I mean, we were on the phone or in the chat. I was like, sure, tell me what to do.
No, that was that big drop. You caught it. The
Yeah.
first one. The one you flipped. You just left me long. You flipped short. You just like, oh, he's long. This shit. And you flipped short. I feel like he was getting me back from that one trade.
Oh, for the
Where I
one
didn't tell you
where
I
you left
moved
me
my
hanging. You left me hanging at the top. I, I was quiet too. I was like, we were both long. We were both long, and I was like, nah, this is going down. I was so quiet. I flipped short. I took the L in my position, but then once that mess started dropping, like, yes, sir, let's go. I was able to catch myself mid trade, but you left me. You moved. You're like, oh yeah, we're getting out at whatever the level was. I was like, yeah, you right. We getting out. And then, and then he's like, I knew something was up. You were too quiet. He's like, I'm not gonna lie, I moved my stop. But I'm not gonna lie, I moved my stop up a couple points. you, you know I would have did the same thing. But I mean, I guess it is what it is. Oh my
Yeah,
god. That is
yeah.
too funny.
But yeah, he was like, Sherman, tell me what to do.
What
I'm
do
a
I
16K. What do I
what do I do?
And dude, I was high with him. I was like, damn, I just blew my Apex account, so shit, I had to live vicariously through you. Try
Yeah.
to get my money back going along, and it just straight dropped. I should have just went short. You know, honestly, I want to say that we left the degeneracy in 2023, but being a degenerate is so much fun. I see why people do it, but it's not going to get you money in the market.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah. A few lucky times. Nah, you gotta be. You may get lucky a few times, but nah, you gotta be disciplined. That's what I gotta work on. Discipline. Not going in heavy size off rip. Is my main
oh,
thing because that's what I've been doing lately. All right.
that's interesting.
Yeah. So
It's
then,
just it's about to form a pattern that I see all the time, and VWAP is right there to just you know what I'm putting a limit, a short at 533. I'm putting a short there. I'm in my practice account. I want to see what happens. I want to see what happens because I'm seeing it. Now, if this drops down to my 88 long, then I won't be going short anymore. It really depends on which level it gets to first. If it retests this high, I feel it's going short. and we might actually break these lows at 443. But if it goes down and pumps up, then I feel that we're going higher. So it really depends on what happens right now.
Yeah.
It will determine who is in control. Yeah, if we go down first, yeah, this is getting bought back up. If it goes higher and drops, yeah, this is going down.
So this, you said you've seen this pattern before. What is it like? We hit the highs, drop, and then almost get back to the highs and kind of get sold.
Because I mean, like, look what's happening. It's ingenuity of sell stops and buy stops underneath both these lows. If it goes higher and takes out those buy stops, then it's going lower. If it takes out, what the hell? What just happened? Hold on, I bought something. Give me a second. I don't know what account I bought something in. I bought something. Oh crap! What account is that? What account is that? What account is that? What account is that? Oh damn! Damn! What account is that? 4044. This is the importance of making sure that your limit orders are all cleared.
Oh,
I just made a mistake.
Yeah.
I just made a mistake.
I know when that happens. I'm all too familiar with that. With earn to trade. I traded 15 days with earn. Little quick side quest. I was trading back in the day. I traded 15 days with earn to trade eval. The last day, I was like, oh yeah, I got this. We good. I'm about to pass, get funded for the first time. And I left some hanging orders that I did not close. They failed me. 15 trading days, that's a whole month, basically. That's a month of trading. I hit their stupid profit target, followed all their rules on earn to trade. I left a hanging order sitting out there, limits, because this is when price was just running up nonstop. I left that mess out there, forgot to hit exit and cancel all, close all trades. I forgot to tap that button, and I failed. It was the end of the day. I was waiting to see everything. I went to my dashboard waiting to see it be updated. It said failed. I was like, mouth drop. I was like, what the freak happened? Like, no way. I hit up support so fast. I was like, yo, tell me what happened. They sent me a screenshot of Rhythmic. I'm like, ain't no way. Y'all gonna do me like that. A hanging order. I've been trading a month on this stupid eval, and then I failed.
Dude, I'm surprised you even do business with them still after that. I mean, it's your fault. Yeah.
Yeah, it's my yeah, it's my fault. I should have been more aware, more cognizant of that, but damn, I was so hurt by that. That still affects me to this day. The PTSD from that is real.
Yeah, I've heard that story. I was like, damn, dude, stuff like that, yeah, that sucks. I think now they have it to where if it executes after their hours, it automatically closes it, but I wouldn't count on that. I really wouldn't count on that at all. But yeah.
I don't know. I don't trust it.
Yeah, I wouldn't trust it either. But a month, yeah, that's so tragic, dude. That excitement first, just the opportunity to just start making money in these top firms. You pass it, all that discipline, all that time, and then just for a stupid little thing like that to happen. But I wonder if it was like the universe's way of trying to see if you really wanted this or not. Because it's like one of those things where that was like just so stupid. Like, what was the point of it?
Yo, I was
like a small little accident.
Yeah, a simple accident. I was so defeated. I felt so defeated. I was so hurt by that. But yeah, like I said, last day, I took small trades, got the dubs. I was already well in profit over the target. But like I said, I left a limit sitting out there because price just ripped up so much, so far up that you couldn't even see it on the chart. So I didn't notice it. I forgot about it. Obviously, in the moment, trying to catch the rip or catching the rip. Yeah, it was just so tragic. I'm all excited at the end of the day. Let me check my dashboard. Refresh, refresh. It said failed. I was like, no way. Support. I need an
I'm
adult.
fighting for my life right now.
I need an adult support. Yeah, they got a lot of ways to fail with them.
Yeah. Yeah, honestly, I'm surprised Earn and Trade is still
in
operational.
in,
How?
in business.
How? Dude, you got too much competition to be trying to tell traders they got to trade for 15 days, half a month, before they can even become funded. And then I'm pretty sure the rules on that side of the fence is probably uh, what word I want to use? Restrictive, like the rest of these, because they don't want to pay out; they just want to take in the profits. But
76. Huh. I'm surprised point of control didn't adjust on there. Well, on bookmap. But yeah, that's what happened. I was distraught, defeated, and just hurt. All of the above.
yeah, yeah. So. Honestly, I mean, now that I'll never trade with you profit again, they did make a mistake, and I was, I want to say I was very fortunate to have gotten away with it. I made a mistake, like they have a scaling plan, but they allow you, like they don't stop you from using more contracts than you're supposed to. Like they have a scaling plan. You couldn't, well, at least at the time when I was trading them. I don't know if they've changed it now, but when
Uh-huh.
I was trading with them, their scaling plan, they gave you access to all your contracts, but you're not supposed to trade a certain amount
Order
before
submitted.
you get to a certain amount. I made a
Oh,
mistake and traded 3 when I technically wasn't supposed to, which
Mhm.
saved the account, but they didn't catch it.
Order canceled.
And I realized that, and I was like, "Oh shit! I think I just probably blew this account." And I was funded at the time, and
yeah.
that account, man, they should have canceled that account. They should have caught it because I ran them for that money. I was taking out payouts every week in that account. But it's crazy because if they stopped that account, all the payouts I got from you profit, that was like half of my that was half of it. Like that account, that 50K account got me like 6K with them, 5 to 6K. And after I got the 6K, obviously, you taking that much payout. You think you're unbeatable. Obviously, my confidence level went up. And obviously, I lost the account over trading because I wanted more. I started seeing people making 5K payouts. So that's what I tried to do, and I failed. So
Yeah.
I failed at that endeavor at that moment. But yeah, if they caught that, yeah, I wouldn't have been able to run them, at least in that account. And honestly, I would have been pissed. I wouldn't have lied. I would have still traded with them because at the time, they were the only prop firm that did the end of day trading, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, and then with the immediate payout once you're funded, I think they were the only ones doing it. That's what actually made them at least top in the top 3, in my opinion. But obviously they shot themselves in the foot, so they're no longer in the conversation anymore.
They no longer in the conversation. Dang.
They're not.
Not in the They have exited the conversation. I don't know, like, let me see, let me check some levels real quick. Yeah, I think this goes to 540s area, maybe 550. 550 was kind of crucial yesterday. It kept bouncing around there, before a drop. Let's see. Let's see how it plays out. Looking kind of weak now, like they want to drop it around here, but make it a push up.
Like I said, man, VWAP's at 540. I think we get to this top at 532. It may get to 538 ish, like I said earlier, and I think we drop.
Mm-hmm.
If it doesn't, well, I mean, obviously, I mean, it's no skin off my. Yeah, I'm in the practice account creating my thesis, and if it does, if this level does not hold, if the Bulls do not push it higher, and if the Bears defend this area, because we're at the bottom of this range, we got a breakdown at this range, we got consolidation at this range. Everything is saying that price doesn't push too much higher past this point. And then these lows at the 443, either we bounce off of it and go higher, or it breaks down and we go lower. So we'll see. I mean, we'll see. And I apologize. This is not VWAP on my chart. This is the 200 EMA. I apologize. VWAP on my 27 tick chart, 2700 tick chart is at 651.
Yeah.
So, but the 200 EMA is also that's also a crucial EMA. People short and long based on where the 200 EMA is. And if you look, you can see that every time price touched the 200 EMA, they double topped it and they dropped it. This morning, actually, at 144, they made an attempt at the 200 EMA. Price got as high as 587. And at that time, the 200 EMA was at 597 and it dropped it. So we'll see if this trend of the 200 EMA drop in price continues. But like I said, if we break these lows, it's going down. We're going down.
Yeah, because it's looking kind of double toppy right here.
Yeah.
Looking kind of double toppy on this, but I mean, what do we got? Do we have any? I know we had news earlier. Do we have any news? Let's check that out. I looked at it earlier, saw some things, but I don't recall what we have right now.
Yeah, that's crazy, man. That's crazy. Yeah, so this can possibly head down further. And the next level of support on my chart, that doesn't come into at least 467 in that area. 467.
No, y'all, so what was it? Hold on. I don't oh, wow, wait. Hold on. That literally just hit. Oh, what level is that? Is that the 20? No, it's the 38% on mine. Okay. It just bounced off that 38, and then we got the 23% at 50, 53. You know, I could see it extending up there just to be petty and then dropping. Because we're all thinking, 40s, maybe. I'm thinking maybe 50. I think it could extend like 53 and then drop or continue. I mean, I don't know. The Bulls been getting wrecked this whole time, so no, I basically made up. So I traded this. What are we at? Let me see a calendar. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, okay. So I traded this on the 2nd and made 4,500. I hit daily loss yesterday. So basically I'm back to break even where I started after making this. I'm probably going to be done here. I was going to go for another 1,500, another 4,500 just to put me at 5K, but I think I'm just going to chill. And then just come back tomorrow and hopefully I can make another 4,500 or so pass. But over here, on this other side, I am long. I'm long 5 cons, and I'm probably just gonna try to slowly scale out of this. Let's see if it rips though. They got liquidity at 540. We know that. We know they want to defend that. But if it rips, could definitely push these stops up into the 50s if we touch that. Or let's see if they want to use it to sell it down. I don't know. I think it on the 15-minute it's giving me a little bit more upside. I'm seeing a little bit more upside. Um, y'all trying to keep me? Y'all, you trying to have me blow these top step evals or hit daily loss again? I hit it yesterday, so I traded this. Like I said, I traded this on the second, I believe. Yeah, and then yesterday was the third. I hit daily loss in these accounts, and then in this account that you can't that I have off screen on my other monitor here, I have the opportunity to pass today. I'm about halfway there to pass. But there's a lot of liquidity sitting up here. I don't know if they're gonna sell off of that or rip right through that. A lot of orders sitting up here in this upper area.
Yeah, like I said, man. I mean, it's engineered liquidity on both sides right now. I mean, we
Yeah.
doubled triple bottom on the NQ.
Yeah, that's the only thing
So
that's like makes me wonder, like, yeah, no way you're gonna, well, I'm not gonna say no way, but you know how they do.
yeah, yeah. So I mean, we could see. I think if this continues higher, I think we get as high as at least 558, 550, 558, if it doesn't sell off here. But obviously, like that's not what I'm doing. I'm not doing that anymore. Actually, let me just try this. I'm gonna sell it here. I'm selling it here. I got a 27-point stop just to catch any foolishness. My stop will be at 560.
You
I'm in the practice account. I'm practicing my thesis out.
okay? I was just about to ask that. Like, you're in your practice account, right?
Yeah, I'm not touching my other account. I've already made profit today. I traded really well. I'm not going to get greedy.
Yeah.
But now I take the time just to practice my thesis out. And this is a time for me to practice trading with market structure. Right now, market structure suggests lower prices. I'm going to trade with that. We just swept those highs. We didn't get a close above those highs, and it displaced down. So I'm going to trust the structure, the price action, and I'm going to go from there. I'm going from there. I'm already about 9 points away of my first target at 513. Or I'm sorry, 13 points. Well, I was, but yeah, we'll see. Took a short. Actually, I guess I could. I guess I could. I mean, yeah. Would it be cheating if I recorded this practice account like me just managing it? Would that be cheating? Would that be considered cheating?
It's still a trade. I mean, you're testing out
Your thesis?
your theory. I mean, as long as you let people, I mean, everybody knows it's your practice account, so you know you got nothing, not risking nothing on the table. But that's what we do. We take it to the sim. We're unsure. You unsure about a move, take it to the sim. That way, if you're wrong, it doesn't affect you. But then if you're right, that would just upset you because you're like, man,
Yeah.
It's a double-edged sword.
It definitely is, man. It definitely is, man. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, you're right. You definitely.
Miss my intro on this. Okay, it bounced off the 50 moving average on this 15-minute chart. That's what happened up there.
January 4th, New York Open, so that's good. All right, let's see. Okay, yeah, I'm confident in this. I'm confident. This is going down. I'm confident in this one now. I just saw that shit. I saw that wick down. I'm confident in this trade now.
So, yep, I'm confident. Yeah. Calendar, where are you? Calendar, where are you? Oh, oil inventories. Oh, so y'all CL traders. Okay, we had the PMI, S&P PMI at 45 that already passed. But yeah, CL traders, we got oil coming up at the top of the hour. Oil news. Wonder how that's going to affect it. Because oil's been dropping, looks like, since. Boom, boom, boom.
There's a lot. There's just a lot of cleanup with oil right now. Obviously, this war in the Middle East, obviously, that's going to have an effect on oil prices, or you would assume it would. We don't actually know if it would, but that would be the assumption. And when it comes to your own money, you don't want to assume.
I think
So, I mean, obviously,
I think oil will get back to acting right once the summer comes. You know?
but we got to wait a whole summer for that. Got to wait until the summer for that. But then, like I said, I mean, oil is definitely going to, the price of oil is going to definitely be dictated on whoever is elected president this year and walks into the office next year, January 4th, as the new president. If it's Trump, I feel oil prices will definitely skyrocket. Definitely. Or when Trump was in office, it dropped, right? I'm not even sure.
Yeah, I
I'm
can't
not
remember.
sure.
I cannot remember at all.
I
I think they might have dropped because I think he was talking about it, but I don't know. He be saying so much stuff. It's like Trump's a funny guy.
I think if I'm not mistaken, without really looking at it, I think he might have dropped it because I know he was very big on having oil refineries being pumped here. I know a lot of the oil companies love Trump, and they were actually lobbying for him and scaring their workers, saying that, oh, if Biden gets in office, you're going to lose your job. I mean, it was true in the end. I mean, they lost their job, so he wasn't lying. But yeah. And obviously, once the oil production here in the United States stopped, then that made Saudi more. And I think that was probably a political move on Biden's part, try to get in good with them, with their oil and stuff like that. But
You need to join.
this whole political circus.
He need to join the kingpin. He need to join the OPEC, the mafia, the oil mafia. Oil mafia, baby.
Yeah. So. Yeah. I mean, honestly, I think it was a political move. Political, but obviously it didn't work out in Biden's favor. And oh yeah, I meant to talk about that. It's interesting. I read an article saying that the SPR is having trouble refilling their refineries, and I'm like, what? If this is true, how irresponsible do you have to be when oil was literally like in the high 60s? How irresponsible is that?
I don't know, man. I don't know.
Yo, that is crazy, dude. Like, because they was talking about, oh, you have a price gets to 79 or 70 or something. We're going to refill it. And obviously, as an oil trader, when you hear that, I'm pretty sure a lot of people bought at that level. A lot of people bought at that level and became liquidity because it kept going down. I mean, at least, the original consensus when the oil formed is like, yeah, we're going to buy at 80 or 79. There was support there. And it was like, yeah, SBR is going to come in at this level. We're going to go back into a bull run, baby, on CL. Yeah, no, everybody became liquidity at that point.
You're liquidity. No, you are. No, you are.
But yo, that's so irresponsible of them, man. Like, that's irresponsible. If price was that low, I think price got to like 65. I think.
Yeah.
If I'm not mistaken, without looking at an oil chart. and y'all didn't refill it at least then, that is crazy. But I mean, I guess that goes with this administration, I guess.
Dun, dun, dun. TickStrike. Yeah, all these prop firms, I think I tried them. TickStrike kind of scared me because I mean, nothing wrong. They're overseas based, and the communication I was getting from them just seemed so sketchy. So sketchy. There's nothing wrong with being from overseas. I travel overseas for a living, but when you're doing business and the company just seems sketchy, I was like, yeah, yeah. And then they need to get these payout structures right, man. Like, my goodness. Get your payout structure right. Get something decent. I mean, of course, being able to withdraw every day is amazing, but we know most people not gonna have that. They want you to fail type stuff. Okay, I get that. At least at a minimum, make it once a week. Give me once a week. I'll take that. I will take that. But yeah, these people be tripping. Okay.
I mean, it's not necessarily a bad thing. I mean, it's not your fault that these overseas brokers has a bad reputation. It's their fault.
Yeah.
It's their fault. I mean, it's past business practices where, they would take the investors' money and you would never hear from them again. It's their fault that they have that reputation. So I don't think it's
Yeah.
nothing for anybody to apologize for. If they want to have more consumer confidence, well, they need to have better business practices.
Yeah. Yeah, man, because I don't know. Like I said, I've tried Tick Trader. Um, I don't know. I haven't looked at them in what probably like a year or so now, but when I first tried them, their payout structure was horrible, just like everybody else's was. Apex, you had to trade for like 20 something days before you can, when they first came around. I was like, ain't no way. They know they gotta adapt. But I mean, Apex is the casino of choice. It's the real casino. Caesar's Palace, whatever you want to call it, that's Apex.
You got Vegas in front of your screen, Vegas in your living room.
Yep. Yep. Get the same effects. We saw. I experienced that yesterday, but it was terrible. Like, and I've been to a couple because, like I said, I do not gamble at all in casinos. When I did go to the casino, got on the blackjack table. I think I ran them for like $150. I'm like, yeah, I'm taking that. I won. I felt good. So I'm like, all right, that's it. Gave the dealer a tip, like, cause that's ethic. That's how much of a noob I am. I didn't even know. I saw other people do it. So I'm like, oh, like what? But I'm like, why would I give them my money? That's what I was thinking. I'm like, all right, whatever. Let me give them a little tip.
Yeah, I mean, it's getting to the point now where you just tip,
You said what?
become angry and take it out on the service they're providing you.
Yeah.
Like, I've been to this hotel, and it's like, dude, I don't need nobody to park. Like, it's like, okay, I get it if I'm given an option of you valeting my car, parking it. Dude, I don't need nobody to valet or park my damn car. I can do that myself.
Yeah.
But some hotels, especially the higher ones, they don't give you a choice. And as soon as you pull up, someone's like, yeah, we'll park your car for you. And they expect a tip. And I was like, dude, what the fuck? Like, I understand your job. I understand that you understand your position, but I don't need you to park my damn car. You're forcing me to do it. And I don't like that. I don't like being forced to do anything.
Yeah. It's funny. It's funny you say that because yeah, it's like they expect it too. They expect to be confident. And I know, like you said, that's probably what they work for. But man, you forcing this on me. I didn't ask for this. I can carry my own bags. I can park my own car.
Yeah, and they expect like $20 every. Like, just imagine, just every time you leave the apartment, you gotta think like, damn, I'm probably gotta pay $40 at the least every time I leave a hotel. Tip them to get my card and tip them to put it back. Like, and I gotta do it every day that I'm here.
Like, yeah, chill out.
Like,
chill
dude,
out.
no. Like, yeah, relax, dude. Like,
Relax.
like, even if you make an online order and you're using your own vehicle to pick up your own food, they ask you, hey, do you want to put a tip on this? What the fuck am I paying a tip for? For me driving to your establishment after I already paid for the food? So, like, this tip culture is crazy, dude. I'm not gonna lie, it's crazy.
And
It is crazy.
and then you paying extra. Well, never mind. That's on deliveries. I don't know if they making you pay extra for picking it up, but yeah, they get you in the taxes and delivery fees when you get stuff delivered. But yeah, you said you want to add a tip on here. No, thank you. Have a nice day. I got a tip for you. Stay away from the NQ. It is an addicting drug.
It definitely is.
There's your tip.
Trading the CL was part of my 12 steps. Part of my 12 steps.
It's your 12-step plan to recover. It's the recovery plan.
Go to the CL. Trade CL. Part of my 12-step program.
Oh, man. Hilarious. 12 steps right there. Alright, we trying to climb over this moving average here. 15-minute. They trying to reject it. No, that's my 12 steps. Ooh, is this one of those? We got no. How did that news? CL. CL. I was about to say how that news affected.
Dude, honestly, I mean, the structure's already bearish. I think, so I already got a limit sitting at 751. I already got one sitting there. So actually, my limit is at 746. Where's that bottom? Yeah, I'm getting in at 46. Yeah, I'm getting that 46.
Let's check the chat. My bad, y'all. My bad. I've been neglecting the risk managers. My bad. Yeah, I choose the monthly option on Apex, but for y'all just joining, I did blow the accounts. Go check my posts. I tried to pin that at the top, but it won't let me pin my own message for some reason. Or I'm a noob. Yeah, it won't let me highlight and pin my own stuff. I don't know what is going on right now, but yeah, for those of y'all just joining, alert! I blew the accounts yesterday, messing with that FOMC, gambling. I'm gonna post the gambling hotline number up here. I need to pin that. But I do choose the monthly option when I trade with Apex. I don't do the one-time fee because that's maybe you're trying to get me. I'm about a couple $100 away from passing the account right now. I just needed to hit my freaking target on this other account.
Where's your target at?
49. I probably should move it. Will we hit 45? Yeah.
Honestly, I would just move my stop to at least, right? I mean, you're like, what, 6 points away? 6 points, that's $120. I would put underneath this candle, underneath that 44. But I do understand. I understand.
Yeah, here we go. We passed, baby. We passed. Target filled. We still in the green, but alright, we're done. This was off screen, y'all. I can pull it up here to see. I just passed. Yeah, this is this account. Look at these. Look at, you can see my chart here. Just scalping it. Nothing. Not hold. I mean, obviously you hold. It's gonna pay off. In hindsight, you get a good position. You held it. It's would have paid off a lot. But I was just scalping this, man. 5K. Wasn't even trying to do that. 5K. See,
Isn't that crazy?
and then when you sit here and I don't know, that video that tilt video recap weekly recap is gonna be epic because I gotta spill everything of how do I stay away from that mode, getting in that mode, and I know the answer. I already know the answers. But why do I keep? I guess the better question is why do I keep finding myself in that mode when I already know the answers to the question, to the problem? So I don't know. Just yeah, took 21 trades. We won 100%, and yeah, we passed. This is the eval, another eval. Copy trading all three. Better have been. Come to find out, only one passed. Yeah, no, we're good. I was copy trading all three. Now before I leave, I make sure I hit that exit button. And look what we said. It runs up, damn, to 60. Did we get it to? Oh, we had 59, but we're right there. Oh.
Yeah. Gotta stop that at that short.
I was long, man. I was long from. I started getting long at 524, and then I averaged in one contract at 520, and I kind of scaled in and took profits along the way because it was being flaky, looking kind of flaky. But that's what happened with me. This one, like I said, this account I hit daily. The one on screen I hit daily loss yesterday, so I'm kind of back to square one. I guess I made back what I lost yesterday. I want to go for 4,500, but I don't want to push my luck. Now I'm feeling apprehensive, not 100% sure of myself, and I don't want to be trading like that. Especially after a day like yesterday. I should be just cool with this and moving on. And I only did that in 13 trades. So this one was way more clean. 87 in commissions, 3K. Right, that's not bad. For 4 minutes. Longest trade time, 4 minutes. I will accept that. Not probably. I will accept that. I will. And man,
You can hear the hurt in his voice, man.
You can hear it. I'm sound completely different today. Like this is how it shouldn't be putting on all that risk. 'Cause I know you can make money with smaller size. I freaking his name Mohammed killing it. I I made 5K on 3 contracts when I had my XFA. The one day when I was in that scaling plan. 5K on 3? Like you talking about catching points.
Dude,
This extension.
Dude. Oh my god, man! I'm just so man.
I was long.
So I got out of my long early. I kind of wish I held it. I got out at 18. And look at it, man. An extra 60, 70 points if I just held the long. God damn.
Yeah. Honestly, the most beautiful long, if you miss this run up here at the little bit
after that retest at 496.
That double bottom. Yes. Yes. I was about to say right here, if you miss this long up, the retest right here would have been the perfect entry to go long at to catch all of that. Sheesh. Legendary.
And what did I say yesterday? I'm feeling bullish or bearish, so I think we're about to flip bull. And I'm not gonna lie, dude. I ain't gonna lie, this kind of hurts because I straight inverse myself and was highly profitable today. Especially all the. Okay, so let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. Because we are at this level.
Yep.
It has to break over it. It has to break over 580. It has to. It has to break over 580 for us to continue higher. If it fails here, I can see it dump here.
So top
I
step.
can see it. I'm going short here. I'm going short here. I'm going short. My stop is at 597. Still in the practice account.
Well,
Even though I know that the market is hella bullish right now.
Uh,
I'm trying to go against the trend.
Yeah, they coming back. Look at this. Looking at my trading view chart over here. Yeah. I mean, like I said, the move happened. The short move that if people were looking for at open, that happened pre-market. And these big short moves have been happening pre-market. It took it down to these low 400 levels. What did it get down to? 443. 443 was the low. Now I'm gonna have to do some research and look back on my other charts to see. Let me kind of zoom out a little bit here. I'm gonna move this out of the way. Yeah, why it seems so.
Dude, if I held that damn long, dude, if I held it, when you're at the bottom and you think you get out at the top at a good level and it continues higher, man, that's so hurtful.
Yeah,
That is hurtful.
it is. But yeah, we are going for that overnight, the pre-market high. It's literally right there. Which is interestingly enough at the top of this zone here. So I wonder if it touches or approaches and rejects. That would be something. That would be interesting. Because that's the bottom of these candles here. Or if it tries to go for this next level up. 625 maybe.
Yeah, 625-ish, yeah. I was about to say 628.
Yeah.
628. And it has to get over 580. We got to close above 580. If we can't get a close above 580, this is going down to the ground. And it won't make a sound.
Yeah,
The only thing you'll hear is the cries from all the bulls. That's the only sound it's going to make.
Yeah.
All right, let's see if my CL trade is going to work out here.
Yeah, Top Step. So the rules with Top Step, for those of y'all that don't know, Top Step, you can have 3 XFAs in the beginning. So 3 in the beginning. Then if they move you to the live account, you can have 1 live account and 3 XFAs. So basically 4 accounts, but your XFAs are basically used to fund your live, if that makes any sense. That's how they kind of do it. So you can kind of strategize actually once you get live. I've been live. How many times have I been live with them? 3 or 4? 3, I think 4 times. I want to say 3 or 4 times.
Oh yeah, that first time, 3. Yeah, that first time, that second time, yeah, 3 times. Man.
3 times? Yeah, 1 of the 2, 3 or 4 times. I can't remember.
Because remember that first time you was live, dude. What happened? What happened that first time? Because I remember you told me you left the position and you woke up and you was up 8K, and I was like, dude, that is such a great way to wake up. What happened in that account? You took like half of it, and it just seems like every time you get into a live account, it just like what happens every time you go live?
The most recent live, I was my own. It was a sense of what we talked about, trying to make that back, and even making it back, it wasn't enough. It was like in that moment, and I know you can get it back over time. The market provides all these opportunities to make some money. You can, stop, come back tomorrow for the same opportunities, or take a break at least and come back a little bit later, try the afternoon session, whatever. But in that moment, it was like I would be up 7, 8K, 10K, and I'd finish the day giving it all back. Like, I don't know. It was just that mode that I was in that I want to completely stay away from. Like, even like being up 2K, like that's enough. That's plenty. But I lose sight of that. So like I said, I would be up and like I said, I was my own downfall. I would be up and give it all back at the end of the day. And that's the worst thing you could do. just like just like yesterday. I felt like it wasn't enough. I was up. I got into break even. You know, I was down, then got to break even, then I was up a little bit, but I'm like, nah, all this trouble I done went through, we trying to get back. You know, at least that's how my degenerate mind tries to rationalize it.
Hmm.
Yeah, yeah,
All right, so yeah, this is definitely an area where either the
yeah.
Bears is going to take control, or the Bulls is going to come and show them why they got the names Bulls. We will see. We will see. Because it seems like the Bulls are coming back with a vengeance. Like they've been holding they've been waiting patiently, sitting on their hands, and now they want to come in and take this market for everything it got now. I mean, we did hit a key level though. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, we did hit a key level. Damn it! Did I miss this up on CL? Trying to be cute again? Mm. Well, we'll see. We'll see. I'm gonna keep my limit where it's at. I think I missed I think I missed it. Trying to be cute with that entry.
Yeah. Bears. That's right. Bears should be. Muhammad just went short with a tight stop.
Yeah, I went short here too. I got a scale in at 585. My stop is going to be at 997
Just saw
because
your. My bad, Sherm. I just saw Cameron's comment. I don't know. He asks if I think it still sticks with the same withdrawal, unless they've changed it since I've been in their live. With Top Step, he asks for the live account, can you withdraw every day? I don't think so. Well, the last time I was trading in it, it was still the same 5 day um withdrawal rule.
mm,
Unless, like I said, unless they've changed it, and I mean they could have. I don't know. I haven't been in their live account in probably a few months now, so I'm not sure. You know, these companies be changing things all the time.
yeah, yeah.
Everybody does ask that. What's the benefit of going live? I don't know.
I don't
Well,
think it's a benefit. Well,
it
it's not a
benefits
benefit for the
them.
trader. It's a benefit for
For
Top
them.
Step
Yeah, for them. Because, well,
because you're trading in the live market. So that means you have to pay all the fees and stuff that they're paying. So that means they pass the responsibility on to you, and all your profits comes from the market versus coming from Top Step. So it
right,
benefits Top
right.
Step.
So they'll give you, yeah, they'll give you the they'll upfront give you the money from your exit phase that you made, right? And take that live. And then after that, yeah, they're not paying you. I mean, yeah, it's still their money that they gave you, so they can still take that L on that. But if you do well and you make profits on the live side, they're not having to pay you any new profits that you make on the live side. So it benefits them on that front. So once you're in the
And
live market, yeah, you're making money from the market and not from them. But like I said,
you may have missed. Go ahead, finish your thought.
I was just gonna say, like I said, but if you blow the money initially that they give you to take it to the live, that they put in the live, they still take that L. But yeah, that's it.
Yeah, I was gonna say that. Yeah, you may have missed it, but yeah, if you like the money that they gave you, if you blow that, yeah, I mean, they just put your bet right back in the eval. It's like a cycle. It's a cycle. It's like the money that you could have withdrawn. It's like it's still in the house. Like think about it. Like you may have withdrawn. Like let's say you got 10K. Instead of paying that 10K, they paid out half the account, 5K, and they gave you 5K to go into the live market with. If you blow that, then they never had to pay that 5K of profit that you earned trading. So all that benefits top down. I mean, it's a smart business move on their part.
What live trader said he been with Apex for like 7 months. He been with them for 7, never been offered to go live. He's like,
you had an account for 7 months. You had one account for 7 months.
He got 20 of them. We were talking in the chat earlier. He said he been with them for about 7 months now, and got 180K in payouts, and they never offered him to go live yet.
I'm surprised they didn't say, you know what, dude, you're making too much money. You need to get the fuck on out of here. You want to go live, go to Top Step.
That's
we
what
don't
I
want
said.
your kind around here.
That's what I said.
Like, let's watch this guy.
Yeah.
He's taking these payouts. We're gonna kick his ass.
That's what I said earlier. Yeah. That's what I said earlier. Yeah. He said that they normally what he's seen is that they start kicking traders out after they've made like 400K in payouts or something like that. They'll be like, hey, all right, you gotta go. You're like you said, your kind's not welcome here. You're making money? Get him out of here. Yeah. So that's crazy. That's like, yeah, that's epic. You had an account with them for almost a year, and yeah, that's pretty epic. Yeah, Apex. Well, that dude, the CEO Daryl, he be trading himself, I guess. I mean, I've seen some of his stuff. You got to think about it. The prop firm is just one portion of their business. They got courses that they sell. They got what is that? Courses. They got like this. They sell different other products and stuff, and are affiliated with other things. Different tools, charting tools that they sell you. They got so much a part of their business model. It's, I mean, it is what it is, right? It is the casino. Apex is the casino of prop firms, prop firms, futures trading. They, if you really think from the business side, yeah. Yeah, Apex investing. Yeah. They got so many different avenues for revenue. Yeah. And then these cheap prices on these different accounts, enticing people. Oh, it's only $50. It's only $70. Okay, let me get about five of those, five, six of those, and trade these bad boys. Then you have one bad day, that trailing drawdown. That trailing drawdown is rough. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna hold you. Looking at the charts real quick, we could not break that high just yet, and we sold off. Sold off at 83 and counting. Kind of figured something like that was gonna happen. Y'all looking at my high time frame chart right here. We couldn't break up. Look, the zone I drew. I don't. He took that trade in his practice account. I think he got stopped out. That pump up was too much. I think he hit his stop. But he was short in his sim account. Yeah.
Yeah. I did get him back short at 570.
Yeah, that 1 day eval, 1 day to pass, that was super. That was Legion of Doom, evil genius type of marketing. Legion of Doom type of marketing right there. Top tier villain. Joker level marketing.
Damn, I missed it. Like, it missed my limit. I wanted to limit back in at 585, but it missed it by, I think the high was like 83 or something like that. Yeah, like 83 or something, 84. All right, man. Let's see what happens. I mean, we'll see what happens, man. We'll see.
Bahamas Trader wants to know how you called the top.
I called it.
Yeah, like what did you
I was
see?
just looking to the left, man.
Looking to the left.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, we made the pre-market highs, but even, yeah, before that, yesterday, yeah, that was a wild day. I can't even hold you. A lot of stuff. We got hella candles in both directions, super long candles. But for me personally, when I look at this, I was saying this would have to break. Obviously, it had to break the pre-market high, but you got to get out of the zone to go up further before dropping. Now, eventually, nothing can go up forever. It has to experience some dropping, some relief. Same thing with selling off. It's got to experience some type of relief. But, like, honestly, I thought this would give it some resistance, but we just shot right through that here, this 560 level, because we got all these candles here on support. If you look to the left on here, all these candles is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of just support in this area. And then, we got this zone. I drew all these zones as the market was going up, as we were experiencing all this and making new all-time highs. I was drawing all of these zones here on the chart, on the high time frame chart. Drawing all of them. Because, I mean, when it's all the way up, you don't know, you got nothing to go off of. You got no history. When you're at the all-time highs, what would you go off of? Muhammad, were you short? You hopped in that short, or did you go long? I know you said you went in 10. Closed out 9, so you're leaving a runner. Yeah, I mean, I wanna hit the max today, but I'm gonna just be content with this because okay, short from 576. Okay, nice. Yeah, that was sniper like right there. Nice.
Yeah. And you only got 30 minutes until your risk manager comes in there.
Oh yeah.
I'm quite confused.
Yeah. That's why I'm like, yeah, I'm just chilling right now. Just talking it out with y'all, trying to see different levels and stuff. Now I'm the eval king over here, dude. I got so many evals with so many different accounts. I can't keep up, honestly. That's probably why I be copy trading. I like to have different options. Like this is matter of fact, yeah, let me get out of this. This is top step, one of my top step evals. I traded, that's one of them. This is my second top step eval that I just passed today. We see we hit the target, 9K. Um, Made 5. So I went a little overboard, but that pump was expected, but unexpected like that to run up. So I closed it. I didn't even hold it. Like, what's the point? I'm passing. So we passed that. I should be getting the email hopefully later on today or tomorrow once the market closes. And then I'll probably get, if they're quick enough, Top Step been kind of slow lately. Hopefully, I'll probably be funded in there with the XFA probably by Tuesday. I'd say Tuesday.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Because, yeah.
And you don't want to trade. I mean, even if you get it tomorrow.
Yeah.
I mean, I know you'll jump right into it.
No. Honestly, no. No, I wouldn't. I'm gonna let them. They're gonna take their time. Whatever. Take all the time you need. I got other accounts to trade anyway, like other evals to pass. I want to get all these evals into the funded side. That way, I can have my different options. Maybe I'll trade one firm 1 week, switch it up. Next week, I'll focus on a different firm. Like I got 4 more Apex accounts that I bought. Like I said, I need to get out of this. Let me close this here.
I mean, if Apex throws out another 90% sale, I'll get
it. See, that's what they do to you. Apex, that 90%. I don't know why they did 80 for a couple days. Like, what's wrong with them? Oh, if you pay for the night you pass. Oh, that's cool. But I'm not. Yeah, if I do get it, if I were to, what's today? Thursday. I doubt I'll get it tomorrow. And even if I did, I wouldn't trade it. I'll focus on these evals. I need to be more mature, more of an adult like Sherm here. This man absolutely refuses to trade his XFAs.
Not foolishness, no.
You have your reasons, which has kept you alive this long, so I can't even doubt.
I got my XFAs from last year, September. Still going.
Still going.
I know they was like, God damn, he doesn't even take trades in this one. How can you get him to blow it? But he blows his emails though. He is foolish. Like, yeah, I mean.
Oh, go ahead.
I know I was gonna say that. Yeah, I mean, over the years, the only time I blow a top step eval is if I try to trade it like Apex, trying to throw on 6 contracts off rip. And sometimes I revenge trade in top step because it's just like sometimes you get it's frustrating that I have to be so strategic and have to think all day. And I just want to throw on 6 contracts and see what the hell happens. Well, I usually blow the accounts when I do that. So.
Sounds like those 6 contracts on and see what happens. They say you better take that to the practice account. What you think this is?
When I do take it to the practice account, it works. So I want it to work.
You want it to work on the funded side. That's right.
Yeah.
So
it worked. I like, dude. Before my bad. So there were times where all my practice accounts be super green, and my evals be fucking super red. It's like, dude, I during that time my trading, like that was very disheartening. It's like, man, what am I doing differently? What am I doing differently in the practice account where I'm getting these moves, but every time I try to replicate that on my evals, it'll be deep red. It'll be to the point to where I'm hitting daily loss limit before the market even opens. But in my practice account, I'm taking these great trades, scaling in properly, and all this other stuff. And it's like, dude, what am I doing differently?
Yeah.
But over time, I had to learn, like, well, I mean, the only difference in the practice account is that I'm actually trusting the levels. Like, if I see something, I'm taking it. It's like it's the fear of loss is not there. You're not losing nothing. You're just taking the trade. And if you just trade the market structure and stop allowing yourself to get in your own way, it works. But when you get in that eval, you disregard the structure. You think it's going to overshoot, and of course, it rarely does. And when it does, it drops right back down. The market does give you plenty of chances to get out, but you don't take it because you want what you want.
Yeah.
I mean, that's the difference. I mean, it's just your emotions, really. That's the only difference.
Yeah.
But it's fun being a degenerate, though. I mean, we all know that.
Muhammad, I think he got out of his short.
No, I'm still in it.
Oh, you took another one?
Yeah, I'm in that 570.
570. Okay, cool. 570.
I got it all recorded. Don't worry. I got all my trades recorded, and I'm gonna drop them.
And
that loss I just took. Oh, actually, I closed out that position. You said what?
Yeah, that's how many evals I got. So I'm trading currently with 3 different companies right now. I think, yeah. Yeah, Top Step is like the golden child right now. Top Step, Apex, the Casino Apex, and then Take Profit. And the only reason I got the Take Profit accounts is because, like I said, I forgot to cancel, so it reset itself. I'm like, well, I paid for it, so I'm gonna trade it. I'm gonna trade it, and if I blow it before the thing, then I'll cancel it. Yeah. So I got the Take Profit accounts, or Take Profit. I think 1 Take Profit account, 3 different Top Step accounts. Yeah, I got 3 different Top Step accounts. Trade Day, I got a mixed relationship with them. Not that they've done anything wrong, just some evals. I've always been revenge trade. For some reason, I always would take out my revenge on trade day and like blow it. Like I mentioned this before. Like I'd be passing, hit the goal, because I go for the, I think it's 250K account or 200, and I hit the goal and then I just revenge it and blow it. End up blowing the eval, or whatever my dumb reasons are.
Yeah.
But,
it just becomes a casino at that point, just to get all that out the way.
Yeah.
So someone asked how many payouts. So I got close to 7K with Top Step. What I'm doing now, so I was hitting up Top Step the same way I was hitting up U-Profit. I mean, like I said, I would like to trade like Brandon in terms of size, but with these low drawdowns in Top Step, I had to force myself to only trade 1 contract at a time. So getting these $1,000 payouts every time, 2,001 to 2,000 and payouts. I'm thinking I'm at either 63 or 7K in payouts with Top Step. It's close to that. And then once I reached that, I just kind of stopped trading in the XFA because I feel like I should be doing better. I feel like every time I take a trade, there's anxiety. It's like, oh man, what if it doesn't work out? The uncertainty. So I stopped trading that account every day. I believe I stopped trading it in November. And then I just started practicing in evals, practicing in practice accounts. What I want is to be able to trade size. 1 trade with massive size. But I have to become more confident in taking trades with market structure. And that's been challenging for me because I'm competitive. So I want to allow myself to practice and fail, even though failure is the elevator to success. I know this, but because I'm so competitive, failing is not even an option. So it's just been challenging to overcome that, to practice, to just trust the structure and practice in the eval.
Mm-hmm.
Once I overcome that, then I'm gonna go back and trade my XFA more frequently So I can get those. I want to be on Top Steps leaderboard. Like, oh, I'm making 13K. Well, in order to make 13K, I have to hold positions with size. I have to become comfortable with holding size.
Yeah.
That's challenging. So that's what I'm doing. That's what my goal is. That's why the $70 eval I'm using. Like, I don't care. I'm gonna do it. If I lose, I lose. It's gonna hurt, I know, but it's gonna be one step closer to success. But it is hurtful, man. It's an ego thing. It's you're wrong, and I don't like being wrong, just like everybody else. And especially when it comes to my money, I don't like being wrong. So, yeah.
Dang, 3 per day. Yeah, Muhammad, they have a whatever account size you got, they have a strict max daily loss, and then you gotta reset it. So it's not like Top Step where you hit the daily loss, you still have a fighting chance. With Take Profit, they're like the old school. If you hit that loss limit, you're out, and you gotta either reset it or forget them. It is. I mean, that's your decision up at that point, but yeah, you hit your max daily loss. That's a wrap. You gotta, like I said, either reset it or yeah. Um, for me, I don't. As far as trades go, my average is between 12 to 24 trades, and that depends. It depends on if I'm scalping or if I'm looking for levels to hold long term. Oh man. Oh, they want to push this down. They want to push it down, but yeah. Let me get in one. Let me get some of that here at 23. Y'all really want to push it down. They buying it back up. We'll go one. Oh no! But they buying it back up. Is this a double bottom on the 2K chart? Are they gonna continue this thing down? 45. Let's see. Let's find out. 45. 50. Short to VWAP potential. Yeah, I closed my short. I don't know why. I saw it forming. Maybe trust issues. Trust issues with the NQ, not trusting myself. I think that's probably the real answer to that question. I trust issues like the old Drake. Did it fill me in too? Yeah, I'm in too. Alright. So this one is my other Top Step account, just the one. Yeah, we hit the 4,500 yesterday evening. And now if I were to make 4,500 in this, I'd be passing in this one. That would be cool. Then I got other accounts, like I said, with Take Profit. I still got an eval. I got these newly. I did reset 4 Apex accounts. That I have. I haven't traded them today yet, but I did reset them this morning out of spite. And then, like I said, I got different Top Step accounts. Top Step I need to treat more like my slow build style. And it's different because I got to change my trading style to what I'm accustomed to right now. Like, before I started off, like Sherm was saying, 1-2 contracts max. Until I built the account up, and then I increased my size gradually. But now with Top Step, kind of reminds you like, yeah, start small, build it up. You got time. You don't got to do it all in one day, type of thing. All the money does not have to be made in one day. Stretch it out, build the account, and go from there. Like right now, I'm in 2 in this position, in this short. I want to size in so bad, but it's like I do, but I don't. I want to size in so bad right now. Look at this run. Oh my gosh. But then if I size in, you're like, oh, nope, you're wrong. Put a buy stop just above that. Alright, I'm out 1. Cut it in half. Just to protect some type of gain. This might be last trade, last of the dying breed for me. But I feel like it's gonna continue creeping lower. I really do. At least to VWAP. VWAP sitting here at 515. That's also the 50%. Still short 5 from 72. Nice, nice, nice freaking work. Look at that. Sheesh. Catching points. That's what we like to see, baby. Get them points. I moved my position, my limit. I had 5 from 72. I had 5 from 72. I moved it up because I thought this is another reason why I closed this short. I went short from 561 because I missed all that, right? I wasn't paying attention. Paid attention. Went short from here. On these candles, I thought it was going to come back, pull back into the 70s, so I closed it. And I moved my limit up. Look at that. Look at it. Look at it run. Flush the toilet, baby. Just ate all that up. All that 46 points. I'm just going to put my stop in. I'm being extra protective today. Extra protective. Put the trailing in. Let it do its thing. I want VWAP, but I know it's not going to... Whoa! Whoa! Dang! I'm all out. I'm all out. Look at that. Sheesh! That's what we were looking for, baby. My goodness. Nice, nice. Oh, no, Ivan, no. No. That's the type. Look at the bounce. Look at the VWAP bounce so far. We're also on the 50% fib. But we could go to, I could see down here. Sub 5, sub 500. Vicious. This is the NQ price action that I miss and love. This is what I know and love. This. You got bullish leg up. A real big bullish leg up. You got your pullback, your second leg attempt, and then a big leg down. This is the stuff I miss. This is the price action that I miss. Great, great price action. Even though I was light, I was only in 2 cons. Oh, and like I said, I was in short from 560. Got shaken out here because I thought I was going to try to go up and maybe attempt the 70s again. So I moved this limit up here. Had a 5 contract limit. Obviously, we never saw that again. And yeah. We tapped into VWAP and we're bouncing. VWAP bounce as of right now. But yeah, this is actually going to be it for me. I got to wind it down. My risk manager, my physical risk manager is probably at the door waiting. They're waiting to unplug this laptop. Nah, but it's all good. Secured 800. You know, going light, just hopping in this one. Mainly I was too inside, too much on the other Top Step account. That one's passing. Those 3. I got three accounts on this one that I showed y'all that I passed, taking little scalps. And then what was the other one I had? And then I traded another Top Step account that I had. 3 of them, made the 3K. So I made the 5K in the one that passed, the 3K in another one. And this is the third Top Step account, but I only have one. I only got one of these. I'm waiting for more resets and to get in. I think I used the half off, and I think it's only good for one. Like we said earlier, because I think I tried it again to get 3 of them back, and it didn't work. So I'm waiting for a reset for the other 2 accounts so I can reset them and get back in the game with 3. But yeah, we'll just be patient on that because I got so many other accounts, and then I got the Take Profit account. I got the 2 accounts I haven't touched yet: Take Profit and Apex. I haven't touched those today. The newly resetted Apex accounts. So just so y'all can see. The newly reset Apex accounts, they are Evals. I got 4 of them. My PAs are gone. PAs are gone. Yeah. Clean 150K accounts. Yep. 4 of them. So we'll see. I'm not touching them today. We'll see. Maybe, I don't know. I kind of want to focus on Top Step first. And then we got like I said, Take Profit. Oh yeah, Mohammed, that's a good question, Ivan. What broker you use for your personal account, if you don't mind sharing? Alright, I got the one here. Yeah. Yep, those are all my accounts, I believe. I don't know. Oh, and I got this Ninja Trader account up here, off screen, from Earn to Trade. I feel like I need to pass Earn to Trade just so I can get out of that funk with that I had with them so long ago. So long ago.
Order filled.
But good shorting, y'all. Super good short. Bounced off VWAP. Just excellent, excellent short from the 70s. Points. So Mohammed, do you trade Forex with Interactive Brokers? Do you trade Forex? That's that heroin. Forex. You talk about money to be made and lost. Oh, okay, okay. Options and stocks. That's what's up. I was about to say, man, you touching Forex, you really legendary. I haven't built myself up to trade Forex just yet. I started out trading Forex back in the day, back when all the brokers were all sketchy, overseas brokers and stuff. Questioned whether you would even get paid out or not. Um, but yeah, I haven't touched it since. I like futures. I like options. Um, haven't touched options in a long time either. But since 2020, really, 2020, a little bit of 2021, 2020 was the year of options. The year of the call options. Yeah, you gotta sleep. Sleep with one eye open on Forex.
Stop filled.
Yeah. All right, it is 11 o'clock for me over here. I gotta call it. About to get out. Appreciate everybody joining us once again. Sucks I blew the Apex PAs, man. Just gambling, recklessly gambling, but it sucks, but it's all good. We're gonna bounce back. We're gonna run these top step evals up. I just passed one today, so that's good. Um, yeah, let's run them up, get funded, and trade smart, trade. I'm gonna keep it light on my side, unless we get a move like that these run ups and run downs. Yeah, keep it light. But like I said, appreciate y'all for joining. If you're new, like, comment, subscribe. If you're not new, like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, appreciate y'all. We're gonna do it again tomorrow. Same thing tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday, so I don't know. It'll be interesting to see how what the market does tomorrow. Friday. I'll be watching my TradingView mobile for this afternoon. Maybe a little bit of the pre-market, but yeah, we'll see. We'll catch y'all tomorrow. Non-farm. Oh, that should be a big one. That should be a big one. Non-farm. Yep. All right, all right. Y'all have a good day. You still gonna trade this? Trade safe. And yeah, catch you guys. Appreciate y'all joining. As always, peace.